Introduction. If you are in any way feeling stuck or powerless in your life, there is a solution. You can choose to live in the now or the present moment. By understanding this skill and applying it to your life, you start slowing down the treadmill of stress and pressure in your life. You're still running. You're still taking care of business. You're still being a responsible, mature adult. That's not going to go away. The big difference is you become more aware, so you are able to become more content and fulfilled in the present moment. You're no longer kicking the can down the road when it comes to your personal happiness and fulfillment. You learn how to live in the present moment and enjoy it and accept it for what it is. Let me tell you, life is never going to be perfect. And if you're going to set yourself up where you will only agree to be happy when perfection enters your life, you're setting yourself up for a big letdown. This training teaches you the valuable skill of living in the moment. Not tomorrow, not next week, and definitely not next year. Right here, right now. I'm sure you already know this, but the moment you close this training, you might get hit by a truck. You might suffer some sort of weird and nasty medical allergic reaction. You might eat some bad food. There are all sorts of things that may cut your journey through this life short. Life is short. It is fragile. This training teaches you to enjoy every moment. Hang on to it. Get a lot of meaning out of it. This is how you are able to keep running on that treadmill with a deep and abiding sense of peace and harmony within you. Sounds awesome? Great. Let's jump in.